Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Nathan from MyCryptoParadise. In this video, we will look at the AAVE, the one of the top DeFi coins out there. This is the Ethereum token, and we will look into the price action of the AAVE against the Bitcoin, against the US dollar. We will also get a quick look at the Bitcoin price, the overall market, and of course what we might be expecting during the next week or two, because right now this is either the moment of a huge bull run or not, but you will find out in this video. So let's jump into the coin market cap first of all, and here we see that AAVE is coin ranked number 17. The price is currently $358 per token, and we have a capitalization of $4.425 billion. All in all, the price is range trading, consolidating along with multiple other coins. We can see that there is not much action overall, but AAVE is really taking quite a huge spot, 17. Let's jump into the coin 360 just to see the market sentiment. Well, this is the bleeding market, red all over the place. We have AAVE right there on the top right hand corner. This is basically Ethereum token, and we can see that price is dropping across the board. The Bitcoin is down nearly 4%, same for the Ethereum, nearly 4%. DOT is almost 10% down, Binance Coin 7% down, XRP is up 1%, so looking good. ADA 5% down. More or less what we have is the 5-ish to 7% down across the board. So this is clearly a corrective move or a downside move. Well, we will find out very shortly. So AAVE is basically a liquidity protocol. It allows you to borrow and lend Ethereum based tokens and earn interest on that or earn profits from the borrowed money. So clearly an interesting project which does hold a lot of potential. Now let's go into the price action of the AAVE against the Bitcoin. And these are our previously made analysis. So what we have, guys, is basically there's a lot of range trading zones which we can mark on this chart. As you can see, they are marked in these boxes. We had a lot of these boxes. Right now, price is at one of these boxes, so it's still a range trading or consolidational phase in this box, within this box. Once we break, the next target will become obviously the previously made high. So once we in this box, what is interesting here is obviously that we had this average price uptrend trend line and multiple bounces off it. It was the support there, support, resistance, and now as you can see, this is the support once again. Very interesting opportunity here because we see that the price remains above the moving average, which is 50 simple moving average, and price is above the average price uptrend trend line, which actually got rejected about a week ago when we had this massive move to the downside. It was actually quite a strong one, 56.6% down. So right now, considering that we had these bounces, we might be expecting a move to the upside towards this resistance area, and this is nearly 30% upside potential. Obviously, this is the very nearest resistance, and price could be going much higher upon the break above this resistance. And this is highly likely to be the case, but we obviously need to watch this level. Then breakout, next resistance, and then obviously we have even more upside potential for this coin. Now I have zoomed the chart in. This is the 16-hour chart, and we see this last move to the upside, pretty strong wave, which was actually 500%. Yes, this is amazing growth provided by the AAVE against the Bitcoin. This is not even the USDT. So clearly this is a very bullish market. Another point is that to this overall uptrend, we have applied Fibonacci retracement indicator. What it shows us is that 61.8 Fips at 6,900 got rejected. So price kind of produced the double bottom here and bounced off the 200 simple moving average. We could see one bounce and then there was another bounce. So two bounces of this support area. Yes, there was this spike where the price has reached 6,173. Nonetheless, the closing price has been above the Fibonacci support, which is very important. So then we had a clean rejection several times, and after that, price actually made a new higher high above the previously made high. So it seems that the price is turning very bullish yet again. And we also had a break above the downtrend trend line. So now the corrective move is taking place. We are at the bottom of the range, and this is certainly the case for bulls to enter the market because we are near the bottom. This is a very attractive price, and this is the nearest resistance. So we certainly can expect a very fast move to the upside towards the resistance at 9,697. This resistance is based on this Fibonacci retracement level, which is 38.2 Fibs. So what is the scenario for the downtrend? Obviously, we need to break and close on the daily time frame below this spike, and only then the downside risk will increase. For now, it remains an extremely bullish market for the AAVE. And most certainly there will be a huge interest, especially considering that we are very close to this bottom, and also considering the current price action of the Bitcoin, which we will look in just a second. But first, I wanted to share with you our Telegram channel and just go through some posts. And here you see our free channel where we share our results that are published in my MyCryptoParadise VIP family channel. As you can see, even with the market bleeding, we're still able to produce profit. So these are just updates of the trades that we had. Clearly a very good entries, very good exits, and we manage the risk accordingly. One of the latest trades, Algo, you can see the entry was also nearly perfect. Price has reached target 1 pretty fast, 2 days and 3 hours and 41 minutes. These are basically the results that you get in the MyCryptoParadise VIP family channel. You can obviously find the link to join the channel down in the description below. There will be the website. Just go to the website, you will find all the information that you need. And we have another channel, which is My Binance Paradise, where we post free market updates, very interesting and very important news that every single investor in the cryptocurrency market should follow. So you can join that channel absolutely free, link yet again down in the description of this video. Now let's have a look to the Bitcoin price action very briefly. This is the daily chart for the Bitcoin against the Tether, and as you can see, price is clearly bullish, very bullish. We recently had the bounce of the 50 simple moving average, and we had the bounce of the bottom of the channel. So as long as the price remains above this support area, the Bitcoin will remain bullish. And finally, time to have a look at the AAVE against the USDT. Well, first off, I would like to bring your attention to this average price uptrend trend line. So we had the support, there was yet again the support, and yet again the support. So we clearly are in still a bullish market, very bullish. We had the rejection of this moving average, which is also a bullish case. And right now, price is yet again at the trend line. So we might be seeing a very fast move to the upside. Let's zoom the chart in, and on the 4-hour chart, what we see is the simple downtrend trend line. And we had this bounce of the trend line. Price has reached the bottom and corrected up sharply. This was straight after the rejection of the average price uptrend. All in all, we have formed a very strong support here near $304. So basically this is very close to the psychological level of $300, and it got rejected for 3 consecutive times. You can see once, twice, and thrice. After that, there was a big move to the upside, breakout above the both moving average, 50 simple and 200 simple moving average. But the next thing, very important, is that we have bounced off this resistance area, which previously acted as the support. But what even more important is that on this pullback, after the rejection of this resistance, price has bounced off the 38.2 Fibs applied to this correction. So there was this correction, then we had this bounce, and right now price is bouncing yet of another level, which is this bottom formed previously. So this was the original bottom, not this, because if we go to the daily chart, we can clearly see there was this spike and then price attempted to break below, produced yet another spike down, but failed to close below it. So all in all, this is the original bottom which hasn't been penetrated, and right now price is rejecting it along with the moving average right now and the average price uptrend trend line and the Fibonacci support. So this is a very interesting buying opportunity for the long-term investors, and they will certainly look at the AAVE right at this moment. So what we can expect from the AAVE as long as price remains above this bottom or even above this low, because this could be the key support at $343. So as long as we hold this support, price is very likely to reach $535 or even $558. And this resistance area is based on the fibs applied to this pullback. We have two fibs here, 88.6 and 78.6. Now the nearest resistance corresponds to two fibs actually, 78.6 and 227.2. And this fibs was applied to this pullback where we have the 227. Now percentage wise, this is another 50% growth potential, and this is only the closest resistance, because if this area will get broken, then we see a much further growth potential. There could be a really big move yet again. So nearest resistance 50% away, but we must watch obviously the support 1 and support 2. As long as this key level holds, this will remain a strongly bullish trend. Alright, that was all for today, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to take it easy and smooth, and see you next time.